Hi guys, today's gonna be a video of the falling ceiling fan. My friend showed me that falling ceiling fan and it's not really funny at all. And it says ring on the top. So yeah. Are you ready, anyone? Okay, let's go. Oh my god! The ceiling fan fall. But it's not so funny. And actually, like a dog got scared by a ceiling fan falling. And almost there's going to wreck like a Nintendo Switch or the Xbox One control. So yeah. Let's watch the video. What's the dog's going to do? I think he will walk away from the ceiling fan. He actually is going to go to the other room. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications. Okay. So bye guys.